Hey Dana, and welcome to my vlog. And what you're looking at is new headlight lenses, and they're a combination of headlight and turn signal. What do you think about those? You can just get individual, just the individuals to replace your yellow ones, or you can go ahead and get the combination with the turn signals. I've chosen to go ahead and get a one piece, and we'll see how those turn out. You get a pair. You don't, with the individual you get one, and then with the combination of two, your turn signal, headlight, and reflector, you get a pair for the price. And again, I chose to go ahead and get the dual combination, and we'll see how those turn out. Right now I've got a set of headlights. I got a set of the 4-in-1 headlight. Let's see if I can find where that went. Oh, I can't find those things. But they've you can get them in anything now. The search my watch list. Oh, they are right there. These headlights that I ordered, when I plugged them in, you go to high and they're in low. When you go to low, they're in high. So I've just contacted the seller to find out what's going on with them. They appear to be bright, but the problem is my lenses are shot. So we'll see how they turn out with the new lenses. But the only thing is, again, when you're in high, they're in low, and when you're low and high, they're in high. So I got to find out what's going on, and we'll go from there. All right, so thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, definitely share. And you catch me on the next Dana Crosby's Vlogs, Project Stang.
Hey, Dana here, and with my vlog. This is a continuation of upgrading the lights in my 96 Mustang to LED, and unfortunately those lenses are crap. So that's all we're getting as far as lights concerned out there. I know it looks perfectly great. The problem is, right now, that's high beam. You go to low, and that's the difference. You don't get much. You see distance a little bit better, but that's all there is. And the fact that what you're looking right now, it is on high beam. When you go to low beam, you got they're backwards, because high beam. So I gotta get in touch with them. That's high, that's low. High, low. And unfortunately, low beam. We have our high beam light on.
Hey, Dana here. Welcome to my vlog, and this is Project Stang. These are the headlight lenses that I purchased when you saw me when I installed them. Now, as you can see right here in this picture, you can see right where the lens is for the turn signals. And these are the car parts, Innovate, and the lens holes for the turn signal is in a location that it won't clear the mount assembly for the bumper and headlight holder. So I had to cut out a 4x4 hole for that to go in there. So I don't know if you'd want to do that or not. In my case, that assembly on mine is cracked, and I'm looking to take it off another vehicle and replace it. And in that case, I'm thinking about getting another set. These look pretty good. These actually are also one piece, but they kind of look like two piece. These are by Superb Auto Parts, and they look like two pieces. Your lens, and then your corner piece. Another set are these here. These are halos. These look like they might be pretty good. I don't think you add your headlights in. Yeah, you do. You can put your own bulbs in there. This one, fraction, glossy halo projector headlights. So I'm not sure if you're actually. I see one you put your bulb in, and then your turn signal side here looks kind of interesting. So you get that one there. It's going to have a halo around it. This one's got a halo around it, and you got 3 little LED lights in your turn signal, and that's what it would look like going down the road. Of course, there's all your fasteners. So now you're kind of looking at this and seeing how it's going to hook up. Right now, I only see one. That must be the plug right there, and then the outside, the hole right there, must be part of your turn signal. I wonder how the halos are on all the time when you're driving. Get a lot of those these things here. You're gonna crimp some wires here. These might be crimping into your running part of your lights. Be interesting to find out. But there you go. That's that would be your group there. Again, these are the same company that I just got those from. That's what it would look like. Doesn't look like they have the bulb in there for the turn signal. Huh. Interesting. So basically, yeah, you're looking at those 2 sets. Those are the sets I just put on it. And like I said, you got this group here. Go down these are the halos. You get them in silver if you want your black innovators. There's also, I did find originals. There you go. These are your original ones. So you're just replacing the original lens. So you don't even have to mess with doing a one piece if you don't want to. Just do the single piece. They are $53 a piece. I don't know if I saw. There was a kit. Oh, okay, there it is. Here's the kit. Let's see. And it is $70 just for the kit. $70 for all four. Get your turn signals. I'm kidding. You get new lenses, and you get new turn signals. And those are for $74 for the whole kit and caboodle. If you want to go that route. No kidding. Yeah. So there you go. I'm just doing a quick video on lenses that I may be looking into. The wife wants hers original, so I'm probably going to go ahead and get that. I am watching those. Okay. She wants to keep hers original, so I may just go this way. In my case, I'm kind of looking to try to look into the halo. Put a set of halos in there and see what that's going to take. But so there you go, 135. I think you can get it cheaper than that. The same company that I got these other lenses from. But again, this design here, I don't know. I have to see if I have to cut anything out. I don't know. I already have its turn signal in there, but doesn't look like. Looks like the adding your bulbs in there, and that's it. But yep, these are the ones that I put in there. And as you can see, if you've got a design like this, you're probably not going to be able to get that plug in there without cutting into your support for your bumper and the headlights. So keep that in mind. If you're going with the, where are they? Just in there. If you're going with these, you don't have to do anything. They're just strictly original. You're going to have to pop your adjusters out and then install your adjusters on here, the new adjusters, and then install them. But you're not going to do any cutting. And your headlights, probably just because they're yellow, is why you're going to change these. You won't even mess with your turn signals unless for some reason the lenses are broken. But looks like you get this whole kit for $70. These kind of look cool because they're split in the middle, as you can see, and they look like like individual turn signals. And these might be further out here, where it might clear without having to do any cutting. I don't know. Just stand by. You're probably going to have to modify it. So, all right. I just bring you back through these and show you a couple other options here if you want to upgrade or keep your lenses original. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, definitely share. Catch me on the next Crosby's Project Stang.